Welcome back, I'm X. Today I came across one of the most bizarre cases of doxing I've ever seen. We're all familiar with trolls and other internet users engaging in doxing, but what if it involves a judge? Yes, a judge, a person in a position you'd expect to know better about doxing, just doxed a live streamer. Judge Sarah B. Wallace of Colorado enabled the prosecution to dox a reporter. To be technical, it was the prosecution lawyer in the Trump case who brought it up, but the judge's acknowledgement of the name makes it even worse. In the Colorado trial against Donald J. Trump, the prosecution raised the issue that a live streamer was rebroadcasting the trial and providing commentary, which evidently didn't sit well with the judge. It turns out, under Colorado law, you're not allowed to re-upload or rebroadcast the trial, which raises the question, why? When the trial is already being broadcasted by official channels, is someone exercising their speech and press rights under the First Amendment being construed as criminal? Now, a typical judge may have ignored this and issued a mild warning, but she took it a step further and effectively enabled the doxing.
Your Honor, while we're waiting, there's one issue. We've been informed that somebody is live streaming the court proceedings on the internet.
To provide some context, Miss Ashley never disclosed her real name during the live stream. She and her news company operate under the name Badlands Media. The lawyer must have known her real name in advance, which is different from Badlands Media. On the stream, Miss Ashley uses her social media handle, not her real name. Instead of asking the lawyer to refrain from revealing personal details about reporters, she enabled it.
Without permission to record it and to sort of doing commentary as it goes. They're beyond the scope of who's there. I mean, I don't know how to get in touch with them, but maybe an admonition that they're watching that they can't do that without permission might be appropriate.
And we know that they're not part of the expanded media coverage?
Yes, yes.
Do we know what organization it is?
It appears to be an individual, Your Honor, but there were like 7,000 people watching them. Ms. Turning Forth is now 8,600. It's Ashley Epp.
Ashley Depp?
Epp, E-P-P.
She actually repeated Ashley's name. Yes, you heard that right. She mentioned Ashley's name on a live stream with tens of thousands of viewers. And I thought 4chan was bad. This is giving out information that should have never have been disclosed in the public.
Well, so I want to make it clear that there are very specific statutes and rules in place in the state of Colorado for videotaping proceedings, and there's a process. It only applies to actual media outlets.
As a judge, she should not be making such statements. This is a violation of the First Amendment. She cannot claim that one outlet is a real news media outlet while dismissing another as not being a news outlet. Neither the state nor the federal government can dictate which outlets are legitimate and which are not.
And you need to request and be granted permission to record any proceedings.
In Ashley's context, this is even more problematic as she isn't even a resident of Colorado or present in the state of Colorado. State laws only apply to those physically in the state, not to a live streamer located elsewhere.
Currently recording proceedings, you are in violation of the court's orders, and if you continue to do so, you will be in further violation of the court's orders.
Yes, you heard that right. She failed to make a distinction between those physically present in the states and those residing elsewhere. Both she and the prosecution doxed a live streamer, and the latter had prior knowledge to what Ashley's real name was. It's disheartening, and some may say even frustrating, to witness a judge who should have a solid understanding of law blatantly and deliberately targeting an alternative news outlet. This is shameful, and she should be disqualified from serving as a judge. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe and share, and help raise awareness about abuses of power by judicial officials. Thank you.